I can't see anything. Yeah, they did actually. It was quite funny. Because, I mean, the kittens are sleeping without any business, without any problems. The bass is fucking thumping, and it's the neighbors that are coming to cause problems and not the kittens. Can you imagine? So this is prep. This is Sam doing phone calls about business stuff. Fuck, sorry, Adil. Shit. It's a good thing this thing won't be censored. Mr. Flux. And people are not very amused. So much. So much. You're not supposed to hit yourself like that.
It's still there, but please no. Please speak like that. This speaker is not working.
But